Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 5th through the 11th. I'm using part of this kit from Beayoutiful Planning. It's called Pastel Pumpkins. It's so cute. These are like full boxes plus some functional stuff. And then we have some washi and date covers. That's all I printed out. So pretty bare bones, but I think it'll be enough to get me going pretty well. Also pulled some washi. These two are from Michael's. This one's from, I don't know where, maybe Meyer. And then this one's from Dollar Tree. So I have all of that. My plan is a little different than usual. So I'm planning to put these heart washies along the top and then put the full boxes down. And then I'm going to put this black washi across here. And then this one will be bottom washi. So I'm going to put down this washi, like all the washi, date covers, this washi. I think I'm going to use this like fatter black pen to write the days. I think that'll be cute. So I'm going to do those things and then I'll come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. Alright, here is the base that we've got going so far, which I think looks super cute. I'm excited for it. Here are our full boxes. We have an extra one, which I think I'm going to stick over here in the sidebar. So, I feel like those two go together, those two go together. And then of the remaining four, maybe those two go together and those two. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this pink one up here. Maybe this guy. I think this guy is going to go in the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the bottom right there. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cute with the there. I think that'll look good once everything is together. Maybe the pumpkins next. Leaves like a little more space than I really planned for above the full boxes, but I think that it'll be fine. And maybe I'll do the stripey things. Like so. And the two black background ones. I've never really tried doing it this way, I don't think, but I like to try new things sometimes. Alright, I think that's cute. I'm going to use this one in the sidebar. Alright, so there's the whole base, and then I'm just going to stick the plans here. It's the same amount of space I usually have, just like spread out differently with the headers. So in terms of the sidebar, I think I'm going to use the This Week's that comes with the kit, if I can pick it up. It's the same size as these. I'm going to leave a tiny gap, I think. There we go. And then I pulled from my leftovers this 7-heart checklist box. No idea where it comes from. but I can use it to put down my dinners. So that's the plan. So there's that. And then I'm going to take this cute little leftover piece. I think so. I feel like this blue goes really well with the blue that's in here, so I think it's going to turn out well. Stick that in. I'm going to take this last full box. It's 2 weeks in a row without a habit tracker, but I think it's going to be fine. I track just Instagram, which I'm pretty good about doing without having a tracker, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to stick that in like so. And then we have like this little space here at the bottom, which I think I'm just going to stick washi in. So I'm going to take this washi right here, which is from Michael's. I'm going to freehand cut it, which usually turns out badly, but I keep doing it anyway. And then I'm going to take this skinny black washi, if I can figure out. All right. As I mentioned in the last Playing With Me, this is like vinyl. So, really hard to cut and feels weird. All right, there we go. I think that looks cute. That'll track my meals. This is just decorative. Perfect. All right, so in terms of the plans for the week, I've got a few things going on, not a lot because, you know, COVID is still a thing, but we're gonna do it. So first, I have this American Crafts sticker book. I'm gonna look for my tweezers because that seems helpful. Beauty 360 tweezers, upside down because I'm left-handed. Okay. Anyway, there are these stars in here that are black, and I feel like with how sketchy they are, they kind of fit with these like spider webs in here. So my plan is to use these to mark work every day. I know they're not actually spider webs, but I feel like they kind of go. Maybe I'll use like fall stickers next week to mark. I don't know, most of my fall stickers are orange, which doesn't really go with this kit, which is why I picked these. So I'm just going to stick these down like so to figure out which way is up because they're sketchy, so it's like not symmetrical. So I know that the black in this kit is like a soft black, but I think adding this like more intense black will be cute. All right, there we go. So that marks work every day. Also on Monday, I'm going to use one of these guys. Maybe I'll use the little ghost guys. I just want to mark my plan with me. There we go. That's all I have to mark there. Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday, we have Masked Singer, but I don't know if I'm going to mark it. I think I'll just skip it because who knows if we'll actually watch on Wednesday. Thursday is my husband's birthday. So I have this left over. I think I'm going to use this one right here. I don't even know where this comes from. And then I have this birthday cake from Britannia Nicole. Like I really don't know where this one comes from. Yep, not sure. So I'm gonna give up for that. All right, so I'm just gonna stick this like so, then put in his name. That's all. Then we'll probably go out to dinner or something, so I'll mark that. Friday nothing, Saturday nothing, and Sunday nothing, as you've come to expect from me. So I'll fill it in with whatever it ends up happening. So this is my pre-planning all done. I have my IHO 0.38. I realized I didn't tell you what this is. This is a Staedtler fine liner in black. All right, so I'm gonna fill in the little bits I do know, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so there we go. That's what my pre-planning looks like. If you stick around for just a second, you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished week. Shadows are terrible, so I'm sorry about that, but this is what we get. I love how it turned out. It's gorgeous, fun pastels, definitely different for Halloween. I used up everything that I printed, so 2 blank sheets that I can recycle, which is awesome. Going through the kit, if I don't mention it, it's from the kit, which is from Beayoutiful Planning. This is a leftover, I think, from Creative Cavern Studio, but I'm not sure. This pink washi is from Michael's, and then the black sparkle washi is from Dollar Tree. All these stars are from an American Crafts book. This is Creative Cavern Studio. This is these are all leftovers, I think also from Creative Cavern Studio. This is a Plannerology Studio leftover. This is a My Planner Life UK leftover. Britannia Nicole leftover. This one, I don't know where it came from, but it's from my leftovers. This is from an Agenda 52 Paper Studio book at Hobby Lobby. This is a Happy Planner sticker. This is another leftover. I don't know where it came from. That one's from Piper Paper Company, and then another Creative Cavern Studio. So I got to use a good, oh, and this washi tape is from AliExpress. So I got to use a good amount of my stash, which was a lot of fun. Got to use unusual colors for this Halloween kit. Back to something a little bit more traditional this coming week, still Halloween themed. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using for Christmas. I'm ready to start planning at this point. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye!